All right, in this video we're going to troubleshoot a pair of AirPods not connecting to your PC computer, Windows 10 or 11, or it could be 7, and you're not able to get connected. I want to help you troubleshoot it. It's fairly simple to do. So I got a pair of AirPods 2 here. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that it is on and it's in pairing mode. So as you can see there, the white light is not blinking on here. So you want to hold down the little button here for about 5 seconds or a second. And let's do it again. Let's hold this down. There we go. That puts it on pairing mode. So now you know it can connect to your PC. And then from here, what you want to do is you want to go to settings down here, and you want to type in settings. So SETT, go to settings, and then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to devices. And it doesn't matter if it's 11 or 10. It's pretty much the same thing. And then from here, what you're going to do is check underneath here and see if you can see iPod anywhere here. And I don't see it on mine. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Add Bluetooth or Devices. And then what we're going to do is click on Bluetooth. And it should pop up because this is blinking here. And there it is. Now, only thing you have to do is click on there and connect. Now, for whatever reason, if you don't see it, go ahead and toggle this Bluetooth on and off like 3 or 4 times, like this. All right, and then go back to Add Bluetooth, and then see if you can discover it. All right, and then what we're going to do here is going to connect it, and you might have to try it 3 or 4 times. Okay, and as you can see there, it turned off. So let me make sure this is on again. Hold it down. Okay, now it's blinking again. So let's connect again, and there we go, it's connected. Now, for whatever reason, if you were not able to get connected, what you can do is you can forget the device. Well, I would say that's on your iPhone, but if you're connecting it to your PC, what you can do is do a full factory reset on the iPods. But first, what I would want you to do is restart the computer. So a lot of times, if the computer's been on a while and you haven't restarted it, you might want to restart the computer, the PC, the Windows 10 or 11, then start it back up and then go back to where I was at and try it again. If not, what I want you to do is keep the lid open, and what we're going to do is do a full factory reset, and you're going to hold this down for 15 seconds, the little button on the back, and you don't let go. And then this will eventually turn orange. So what you're doing is you're doing a full factory reset on it. And then after that, it'll turn orange. Then you want to restart your computer again and then see if it'll discover it. All right, I hope one of those options help. Make sure you subscribe.